Maximizing profits with email marketing for e-commerce. Maximizing profits with email marketing for e-commerce. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools in the e-commerce world. It allows businesses to reach out to customers directly and promote their products, services, and brand. According to a survey conducted by Statista, the number of email users worldwide is projected to reach 4.48 billion by 2024. This means email marketing has huge potential for e-commerce businesses to increase profits. ND sales. In this article, we will explore how e-commerce businesses can maximize profits through email marketing. Personalized emails. Personalized emails are essential for e-commerce businesses. Personalization increases engagement, open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, sales. According to a study by Experian, personalized emails generate up to 6 times more revenue than non-personalized ones. To personalize emails, businesses need to gather data from their customers through email signups, surveys, and social media. Once the business has this data, it can tailor emails to individual customers based on their interests, preferences, and purchase history. Segmentation. Segmentation is the process of dividing a customer base into smaller groups based on common attributes such as demographics, behavior, or interests. This allows businesses to create targeted campaigns that speak directly to each segment. For example, a business can segment its email list into customers who have made a purchase in the last 30 days and those who haven't. The business can then send exclusive offers or promotions to the customers who haven't made a purchase recently to entice them to buy again. Segmentation also allows businesses to target customers who have abandoned their online shopping cart. By sending a follow-up email with a discount or a reminder of the items left in the cart, businesses can increase the chances of a sale. Subject lines. Subject lines are the most critical part of any email. They are the first thing the customer sees, and they determine whether the email will be opened or ignored. An effective subject line should be attention-grabbing and relevant to the content of the email. It's important to avoid misleading subject lines that can be perceived as spam or clickbait. This will not only decrease the open rate for that specific email but also have an impact on future email. To the same customer. Content. The content of an email should be engaging, informative, and relevant to the customer. The content should provide value to the customer by either solving a problem or offering a benefit. This could be through educational content, exclusive offers, or promotions. It's important to keep the content concise and to the point. Customers receive numerous emails daily, and lengthy emails could lead to disinterest or deletion of the email. Call to action. A call to action, CTA, is a button or link that encourages the customer to take a specific action such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. A clear CTA button placed in strategic locations within the email can increase the chances of a sale. CTA buttons should be attention-grabbing and provide a clear direction on what action the customer needs to take. For example, instead of using the generic "click here," use a more specific CTA such as "get 20% off" or "shop now." Mobile optimization.